Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you two ingredients to make slime, and it's super duper easy, but some glue can't work or some detergent can't. So you need detergent. You can use powdered detergent. All you need is your powdered detergent and some hot water and mix that up well. And some of you wash your clothes with something else, so I don't know if you guys have detergents. So let's get started. So the first thing you need is glue. I'm using this kind of glue because this liquid clear glue is good, really good. Something to mix in. Dynamo detergent. You can use any detergent, but some can't work. And you need a bowl. So take your bowl and pour in your clear glue. Yes. I'll pour in there. You can you wanna mix that up a little bit, yeah. And you can put your food coloring if you want at this part. Next, take your detergent. I keep saying dynamo, and pour in a little bit, just a little bit, like that. Mix that well. More detergent because it's really sticky, still sticky. So if your slime is still sticky, you need to add more detergent, but just a bit, okay? If you add too much, it will get foamy and I can't do it anymore. At least if you have glue, then you can fix that. It's too sticky for me still, so I added more detergent and again. Yes. And sometimes you can knead it first. So if it's not really sticky for you, you can knead that first. Until if you knead it too long, you can't knead it too long. If you knead it still long, really long, and if it's sticky, add more detergent, just a bit. And this is how my slime looks like. So thanks for watching my slime video. Hope you like it and hope it works for you. I'm a bit sick today, but who cares? So hope you like it. I don't care if you subscribe or unlike, or I don't care. I don't care if you haters too. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.